How to link EA account to YouTube. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch any web browser. Click search bar, type in youtube.com and press enter. And then you will land on the official interface of YouTube, where you need to make sure to log in to your YouTube account with your credentials. After that, click on the profile icon at top right. Now navigate to settings. On your settings section, you will see connected apps to this left panel. Click on it. And then here you will see EA account. You can easily expand your experiences by connecting YouTube with other applications. So let's click on connect button and here you need to click on connect. And after that you need to follow the prompts and you will successfully link your EA account to YouTube. That's it. I hope this guide worked. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.